morning, dear children. Welcome to my 23rd video. Today I am going to teach you the critical analysis of the story Fritz. Once again, I will be teaching you point by point, and on the desktop I will show you the points, and then I will explain to you. I will go again very slowly so that you may note down, because you will have to write the critical analysis of the story so that you become thorough with the story. So shall we begin? Be ready? Let's analyze the story. First, the genre of the story. Fritz is a supernatural or paranormal story. We discuss about the title of the story. The title is taken after the name of the doll called Fritz. The story is revolving around doll called Fritz. In fact, the word Fritz means to become defective. It is also processed meat like sausages which does not spoil for a very long period, and thus the title seems to be very fitting, isn't it? The title of the story, Fritz, is very fitting and apt to the story. Now the type of the story is narrative type. The story is narrated in the first person, that is Shankar. It is from the Shankar's perspective that provides a realistic depth into Jayanto's point of view. That means Jayanto's irrational fears and beliefs are to somewhat eradicated or wiped out by his realistic point of view. Theme of the story. For any story, the theme is not one particular, but there are several. In this, we can find friendship, superstitious beliefs, supernatural. The story also deals with matters of the mind, reason, memory, and repression. Here repression is in the person of Jayanto. These repressed memories are coming up and he is struggling to get rid of it. Isn't it? Friendship, naturally. Friendship between two persons as well as the doll and Jayanto. Superstitious because his faith experiences makes him believe that his doll is alive. It is naturally a supernatural story. It is not a very natural one, not common one. And you know, it is dealing with matters of mind, that is reasoning, memory, etc. Now, setting of the story is Bundi in Rajasthan. A setting in a story, especially the story of supernatural type, is of utmost importance, especially while dealing with a supernatural one. The description of Bundi, a sense of foreboding looms large over the circuit house and the town of bygone era, that is a very old one. It creates a right mood, a frightening mood, isn't it? While you read, you feel a type of terror in yourself, a shivering. The story is set in Bundi, Rajasthan. One can get an idea even if one hasn't visited it. And so beautifully the narrator has narrated it, described it, thanks to the author's powerful vocabulary. So, setting of the story. Now, friendship between two opposite personalities. Who are they? They are Jayanto and Shankar. Friendship between two opposite personalities, Jayanto and Shankar, quite unlike each other. Jayanto is quite an emotional person, while Shankar, the narrator, is a man of reason who can come up with quick, logical solutions to tackle a problem. Thus, the story demonstrates how friendship can be sustained between two people who are poles apart from each other. They get along very well. How? Shankar is patient in handling Jayanto's moods. His effort to understand and solve the problem and fellow feeling is really admirable, praiseworthy. The story is a mystery and it is open ended from beginning till the end. The story is full of mystery, foreboding, and at times even horror. This makes the reader hooked up with the story. That means when you start reading, you will not stop without having read it completely because it has that particular attraction. Then there's the ending. The author has left to in cliffhanger, leaving the reader wonder and assume how it was possible. Then the last point I want to explain is difficult to explain. Yes, the reader may look at the different aspects of the narrative to come up with interesting questions. Some of these questions themselves become the answer to this story or mystery. For some questions are answers as well, isn't it? So, according to me, these many points are enough for analyzing the story Fritz written by Satyajit Ray. You can add, if you remember, any other points to analyze this story. However, I request all of you to read the story yourself. Second, you write the summary of the story as I had told you in the previous video, and also write the analysis of the story. Got it? I'm very sure you are reading it properly and faithfully so that you may enjoy as well as score good marks in your examination. Wish you all the best. My love and regards to your dear parents. Bye children. God bless you.